It's the year 1259. In a place we now call Iran, something amazing is about to begin. This is the story of the Maragheh Observatory, a place that would become super famous for looking at the stars. Imagine a time before telescopes. People still looked up at the night sky and wondered about it. The Maragheh Observatory was built to answer those questions. It was the idea of a really smart scientist named Nasir al-Din al-Tusi. He convinced the ruler Hulagu Khan to pay for this big project. The Maragheh Observatory wasn't just a building, it was a whole new way to look at the stars. Al-Tusi designed amazing tools, some of them huge, to measure the sky. There was a giant mural quadrant, like a big ruler for mapping the stars. There was an armillary sphere, a fancy model of the sky used for teaching and research. These tools were super accurate for their time. They helped astronomers see the stars better than ever before. They carefully watched how planets moved. They studied the sun and the moon. Their discoveries would help future scientists learn even more. The Maragheh Observatory wasn't just about buildings and tools. It was about smart people working together. Scientists from all over the world came to Maragheh. They came from Persia, China, and even faraway Europe. These scientists worked as a team, sharing what they knew. They figured out the length of a year almost perfectly. They created new charts that helped predict where planets would be. One of the most famous scientists was Muayyad al-Din al-Urdi, known for his work on how planets move. The Maragheh Observatory was important for a while, but eventually people stopped using it. After about 75 years, it was abandoned. But it changed astronomy forever. The observatory was really important for science. Its legacy, or what it left behind, continued through its scientists and their books. Their work influenced later astronomers, even those in Europe during the Renaissance. The Maragheh Observatory reminds us that people always want to learn. It shows us how powerful it is when people are curious and work together. Even today, its ruins inspire us to keep looking up at the stars.